All right, going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol DOLV. The last time that we went over this one was going to be on March 22nd. And most importantly, if you take a look at the last time or the first time we started covering the stock, it's going to be way back here. Before it started making any moves, 0009 was when we started watching this one. So remember, it's over a penny now, currently at a penny. That's a big move. This is what happens when you follow us over here on investorshangout.com/live. Now, if you take a look at the last time, again, that was going to be the 22nd. I said steady volume coming in here, gap at 0033 and 0041 support, and then the resistance at 44. If you guys look at it right here, blew through it the following day and just took off from there. What is going on? Everybody might be getting a little concerned now. You guys are at a 10-day simple moving average. Looks to be about bottom. The volume has steady. It looks like the volume has obviously dropped off the last few days, but could it be picking up? It looks like it's starting to turn around again off of especially a Friday. You guys are already over Friday's volume. Not a lot, but you guys are there. Now, if this doesn't hold, 01, in my opinion, it will drop down to the 20-day simple moving average. There isn't much between. So we're going to definitely want to see this the 01 10-day simple moving average hold at the 0098 area. Okay. If that breaks, again, in my personal opinion, it will drop down, but the volume's starting to turn around. I'm going to watch for this thing to possibly go sideways for a day or two at this area and hopefully bounce off of that. That's going to be in the positive spirit. If it doesn't hold this, it will go back down to the 20-day. But it looks like it's just cooling down now. All gaps are filled up here in this general area. There are gaps down here, which is why I'm kind of like, hey, it could possibly go down there. But we're going to continue to watch it. You're at a pivotal point right now.
Yeah, so remember last time we went over it, they weren't up to date. And I recall just from looking over here at these things, there was, remember they sold or they merged with somebody. The CEO ended up resigning, and then the gentleman that, they ended up merging with, like, his last name was Stein, ended up taking over, and then they basically just went dark. So what I'm seeing here now is on March 21st, they had 3 quarterly reports up. And let's see, annual report too. So March 21st, they had the annual report for 2015 is up. Now 3 quarterly reports are up, with the last one being for September 30th, 2016. And then there's 2 attorney letters with respect to current information. So they have been brought up to current since the last time we looked over it. So obviously you'd want to go through and look at this latest quarterly report to see where they stand. So I pulled that up and I'm looking at it really quick. It's like 24 pages. So total assets is showing that they don't have any assets. Total current liabilities. See, accounts payable, 27. Let's see, revenues. Bear with me, I was pulling it up really quick. All right, so on 2015, they had a negative loss. They had a loss of $834,851, as opposed to on 9/30/2016, it was a loss of $8,215. So, not sure what that loss was from and what's going on with them. This is something that obviously I'd have to really spend way more time on. So if you want to continue doing more research on DOLV, I'd advise or recommend going over to that March 21st, 2017 quarterly report for the period ended September 30th, 2016. I mean, that's pretty much the most up to date that we have over here. And there's 24 pages for you to, take in and absorb and do your due diligence on. And if you have an opinion on it after doing so, feel free to share it on the DOLV board with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily.
All right, remember all the stuff that Joe just mentioned here, company profile, time of sales, recent news, filings, and financials, completely free on Investors Hangout, along with unlimited posts and unlimited messages from user to user. So why pay other sites when you can get everything here plus more completely free? The time and sale is a great tool. You can see the exact time and price and volume for each trade throughout the day. So if you're at home, or not at home rather, and not able to watch level 2 throughout the day, you can come home at night and surf here, look at all that stuff over here on Investors Hangout. As far as the chart goes, 0-1, watch for the volume to pick up and bounce off the 10-day simple moving average. You're starting to see that right here. If 0-1 breaks, it will drop to the 20-day simple moving average, 0.059, down there in that area to fill the gaps. All depends on that volume. Starting to pick up a little bit, so we're going to keep the spirits high, and that's what we're going to be looking for with DOLV. If you follow this one, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and share this video on all different social networks and stock message boards and forums, and get the word out there and get the research out there. That's all we ever ask. If you have a hot stock that you'd like to see us take a look at, head over to investorshangout.com/live. Let us know there. We'll take your hot stock and add it to the list.
You know what?